Hey there, I'm Sierra, and today I'm showing you a day in the life of a paid media associate. I wake up, get ready, then go downstairs to grab some breakfast in my hotel. Coursera allows me to be completely remote, so I've spent the last couple years as a digital nomad, jumping between different states and countries. Today I'm working from Salt Lake City, so I head to the closest WeWork. I grab some coffee, settle in, and enjoy the view of the mountains. I manage Coursera's affiliate and influencer partnerships, so I typically start my morning by approving draft videos from content creators and also checking out some recently published content from our partners. Then I jump into a quick internal team meeting to give an update on campaigns we're currently running. Afterwards, I do some data analysis to see how our affiliate partners are performing and then scope out an upcoming campaign. After a quick coffee break, I research new sites and influencers to partner with. Then I send out a few pitch emails to recruit new partners into our program. After I wrap up at WeWork, I head to a local restaurant where I'm hosting a business dinner with some top data science YouTube creators. I connect with some of our top creators and also meet new ones who I hope to partner with in the future. After dinner, I meet up with some of my friends in the city at a local dance hall for some swing dancing and to relax after a busy day. Then I head back to my hotel for some rest and prepare for another day tomorrow.